All right, guys, check this out. Sofi stock is ripping yet again. We're up another 4%. We're going to break down the charts in this video. You guys know the drill. Go over what I'm doing, how the charts are looking, and we're going to go over the indexes, which they're kind of all over the place today. And I want to cover some other stocks later in the video. So let's just dive into it. So we're now sitting just under $26 a share on SoFi stock, trading up over 4% on the day right now, up $1. And check it out, the indexes right now, we're up barely 0.1% on the S&P. The Dow is up around, let's see, the Dow at pretty much at break even. QQQ is up, not bad, 0.3%, as the Russell is up 0.1%. So not much going on when it comes to the overall stock market. The VIX is up, I believe. Let's see where the VIX is at. Actually, no, it's down 4%. Excuse me. I thought it was up. Read that wrong. VIX is down 4%. We're back to 14, which you guys know, on a side note here, the VIX over the last year has traded at the low point right around 14. So keep that in mind. You know, we're at a lower point right now on the VIX. And again, SoFi is just continuing this generational run that it's been on. And you all know at this point, the next major gap to fill is to $27 a share, which I'll show you a little bit more about that here in this video. And ultimately, man, we're about to test 26. Again, up now 4.1%. This is the intraday chart that you're seeing here, by the way. We just keep on going. This is insane. And if I pull up this 1 hour chart, you guys can clearly see now that we are starting to bounce off this 180 SMA. You're noticing that right here, which I just realized. Hold on a second. These moving averages are confusing the heck out of me now. So I just got this this new laptop, guys. I've been talking about this, and I just set up Thinkorswim, and I clearly forgot to change the color of this one moving average. Let me do that right now really quickly, guys, because it's going to throw me off this entire video. So let me go to this. I think it's, oh yeah, I forgot to change the EMA. The EMA needs to be, wait, no, the EMA is blue. Which one's gold then? I have gold twice here. Wait a second. Or am I just an idiot? What's this other gold one that I have here? Here it is. Yeah, the 50 SMA. I forgot to change to green. There we go. Let's apply that. Boom. So, okay. Now I know what I'm looking at. Oh man, so I should have set this up a little more, a little better before. It is what it is, guys. This new laptop I got, by the way, is freaking sick, man. It's a powerhouse. So it's gonna help a lot with the workflow. I'm pumped about it with the content here, trading, all that good stuff. It's gonna be great. So anyway, back to SoFi. We are breaking out of the 50 moving average now on the 1 hour time frame, and clearly we're bouncing off of this 180 SMA. If I get the channel tool or the trend line tool out, clearly we're putting in a higher low at this point, right? You're noticing that very clearly. Higher low here as well, if it wants to let me do it. Come on. So SoFi looks pretty good, man, on the 1 hour time frame based on today's price action. And not only, again, are we bouncing off that 180, but we're breaking over the 50 SMA, and it looks like we're running for the highs now from 2 days ago. So what's today? Thursday. 2 days ago on Tuesday, we hit $26.60. Saw a pretty big sell-off yesterday. I didn't make a video yesterday. I didn't make an update yesterday, but we got a big drawdown. I think we hit 24.30 at the low, so we dropped about 8.5% from 26.60 to 24.30, right? And now we're up a good 7% off of yesterday's low, which is very good. It goes to show the strength right now in SoFi stock, and, well, the bulls are buying up the dip, and there is a lot going on here, right? I do believe that, sure, there's a lot of, obviously, long-term investors, long-term money in this stock that, you know, was in it from the single digits. These people were buying in the single digits. Sure, a lot of those people, some of them at least, probably sold, locked in some profits by now. Makes sense, right? But now you guys got to realize a lot of momentum traders are stepping in. A lot of these short-term money momentum guys are hopping in because they're seeing SoFi's volume over the last couple of weeks has gone ballistic. Obviously, the stock's moving. A lot of momentum here, so we're seeing short-term money come in. It's piling in. So you got to keep that in mind. With that, hey, if we get an overall market drop, let's say, and more than what we just saw, guys, I'm talking like a 5-10% correction in the S&P. Again, the VIX is down to 14. That's been a lower spot. If we get an overall market drop now, you have to realize SoFi might see a bigger drawdown because a lot of the short-term momentum money that's coming in they will run for the hills and sell. And if that happens, and on top we see some more long-term holders sell, if we get a correction in the S&P, that could trigger an even bigger sell-off. Clearly, we're not there yet, or not seeing any signs of that right now. But just to play, I guess, devil's advocate, or really just not prove the point, but really just show you guys that there is a lot of short-term money, or not a lot, but there is some momentum short-term trader money in the stock right now. And if they hit the gates, we get a bigger drawdown, some long-term money starts exiting, this could see a bigger sell-off. We're not seeing it yet, but something to keep in the back of your head for the next month or two, whatever. But yeah, as of now, though, we're seeing buyers come in. We're bouncing off this 180 SMA, breaking over the 50 SMA. It looks really strong as of right now. It really, really does. And moving forward, guys, I want to see if we take out this 26, 40, 50, 60 level, which again is where we hit 2 days ago on Tuesday morning. So SoFi, guys, 4.2%, very good day. The dips being bought up, and on this 4-hour time frame, and actually I added a year-to-date time frame here as I was setting up this new laptop here with Thinkorswim. Guys, look at that year-to-date chart on SoFi. Freaking awesome. I mean, this thing saw a big dump. I mean, it's been quite the year. The stock hit $18 back in January, so it started off the year hot. It ended off 24 hot, and then it cut in half and some, all the way down to 860. And now it's, I mean, geez, man, it's up 205%, 210%, whatever it is off the lows. So it is up massively. But yeah, it's been quite the year, and this is cool to have here for the videos, the year-to-date chart. I'll start incorporating that more when we're analyzing, breaking down stocks here. And by the way, guys, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all for tuning in, following for more content. You're awesome. And just look at this 4-hour chart, guys. Oh my goodness, this is insane. This is just wild. We're now bouncing off the 50 moving average on SoFi on the 4-hour time frame, and we're obviously well above the 180 SMA. So I'm liking the way things are shaping up here on SoFi. And man, now the overall market is pushing even higher as I'm making this video. QQQ's up almost 0.5% now. Russell 0.2, S&P 0.13, Dow's up about, not much, 20 points, not much, but it's up. So yeah, not a bad day, guys. Not a bad day overall for stocks today, and we'll cover some more later today. So again, make sure to subscribe. This video went a little longer than I thought. I was going to break down some other names, but we'll wrap it up here. So again, hit the like button, join the email stock newsletter. It's free. Check out my Patreon for my portfolio updates. I post them every single week, multiple times a week. We're buying stocks every week, guys. You get to see my trades, what I'm doing, how I run a portfolio. All of that is linked right down below. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.